Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into MYCIGNA app review in order to check if the app is what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. MYCIGNA app built for signal members who want quick access to their health benefit, and it does that well. It lets you view your digital ID card, track claims, check deductibles, compare provider costs, and find in-network doctors. And you can even manage prescriptions or telehealth, which make everyday healthcare way less confusing. It's fast, organized, and great for people who want everything in one place instead of digging through paperwork or logging into a desktop portal. But it is not perfect. Some users report occasional login issues, glitchy pharmacy tools, and certain plan details or claim explanation still pushing you to the website. And if you are not insured through the signal, the app is basically useless. So in my opinion, it's definitely worth using if you are a signal member who wants simple insurance management on your phone, but don't expect it to replace full support or the full desktop experience just yet. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.